Microsoft Office Specialist qualifications are highly valued by employers because they provide independent proof that your skills are immediately practical and useful. We've established MOS University to provide a range of courses that will ensure your success when you take MOS exams. My name is Dave Murphy and I'm a university lecturer, MOS Master and a MOS Examiner. Together with my colleagues at MOS University, we've been preparing people for MOS exams for many years. We know what works and we know how to ensure your success. For each of the certification exams, we have two types of courses. We call the first type Techniques courses, and they provide comprehensive tuition in all of the techniques specified by Microsoft for the certification exams. These courses are a combination of instructional videos with try-it-yourself exercises designed to ensure your understanding of the material. These courses also allow you to test yourself using our e-books of sample exam questions for which we provide detailed video solutions. The second type focuses on exam preparation using practice exams and timings. These courses include 3 practice exams which give you the opportunity to get used to the style and standard of the actual exam questions. You're only allowed 50 minutes to complete a MOS exam, and these courses will make sure that you're ready for that exam pressure. We also provide comprehensive video solutions for each of the practice exams. So why not explore the range of courses we have on offer and get a sense of our approach and teaching style? MOS University courses can provide you with the skills to attain any or all of the available MOS qualifications in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access or Outlook, and includes the opportunity to become a certified MOS Master. Success in MOS exams is about being properly prepared, and the combination of our courses will ensure that you're in a position to pass first time. Don't waste your exam fees. Ensure your success by taking our courses. You won't be disappointed.